going on, guys? It's Tim with Chasing White Lines here. We're starting out here in Apache Junction, circumventing the chaos of towns, and here we are headed to Tortilla Flat. Thanks for watching today. Been in Arizona here for a few months now, and just been out exploring, enjoying it down here. Sit back, enjoy the ride. At this point, this traffic is just ridiculous. We went by countless pullouts, and none of these cagers are pulling over using the pullouts. I'll make another video and we can count how many pullouts there are, but, there's one right there. Anyway, I had slowed down to make myself a little bit of distance so that folks could get ahead and we could actually enjoy some of the corners. If you're still watching this part of the video, being down here in the desert's a completely different experience. If you haven't experienced it for yourself, you definitely need to get down to the Phoenix area, see it for yourself. What really gets me is just the geology and just how different everything looks. At the same time, it's absolutely gorgeous as well and breathtaking. And here we are, finally pulling into the town of Tortilla Flat. We went into the little cafe there and had some food. Continuing east out of Tortilla Flat, the road dead ends about 9 miles out, but it also offers some of the best corners this road has, and not much of the traffic actually goes past this point, so if you ever come up here and to enjoy the riding, then make sure to go on past Tortilla Flat and get to the end of the pavement. Well, this concludes the Tortilla Flat video. If you guys enjoyed what you saw, be sure to subscribe and like. Follow me for some more awesome content like this. Thank you for watching the video.